how are you? Obviously you're here because you just love your homework so much that you want to save some of it for later, because future you will love your homework as well, and therefore it is just inconsiderate to not include them in the fun. Okay, but don't you wish that's how you felt? Full disclaimer, there are several ways to make your homework more enjoyable. For the most part, it's about adding variety into what you do. So changing up your location or maybe changing up your study method. But this tip is better than all the other tips put together. Okay, that might be a slight exaggeration, but it does make a big difference. You know that moment when you're sitting there trying to study, but all you can hear is the little click from the ceiling fan? Oh, and then maybe the heater clicks in, and then there's this like drony hummy thing, and then behind that there's just abyss. If that isn't the worst, I don't know what is. So to help put you in the studying mood, listen to music without lyrics. Music is a fantastic way of putting you in the zone when you're studying, but it can also become a huge distraction if there are words. If you know the song well, you'll be subconsciously singing the words along in your head. And if you don't know the song, you'll have a little tab open in your brain trying to figure out what the words are saying. So stick with no words at all, and you'll be good to go. If you're ready for your journey to find study music, try something like a Spotify playlist, or even YouTube has a ton of options. I've created a few playlists which I will link up there in a card, but you might find that what you enjoy studying to is actually different than what you enjoy listening to. So try something different. Try something more classical. Try something more ambient. Try something poppy. I personally am not that picky when it comes to background music, but if there are nature sounds involved, I tend to steer away from anything with rivers and rain and all the water sounds because they tend to make me have to pee. Just try to find something that you don't totally pay a lot of attention to, because the second you start listening to the music, that'll draw you out of your homework, which isn't the point. Also, random fact, did you know that Mozart sold more CDs than anyone else in 2016? He beat out Adele, Drake, and Beyonce. It wasn't a totally fair competition though, because they were selling this box set for his 225th anniversary of his death, and it contained 200 CDs, and each CD counts as a CD sold. So, well, that and the fact that nobody buys CDs anymore. Shh. Okay, brain, take it away. If you'd like to support this channel, don't forget to subscribe and check out my Ko-fi link below. I also have a blog and Instagram if you'd like to double make sure you never miss anything. And now that you got your music ready to go, check out this other way to make school way more fun.